RYOBI bagging kit with boost for ACRM026 installation and start guide. The ACRM026 bagging kit is compatible with RYOBI RYRM8002 riding lawnmower. This kit includes a bagger and special mower blades designed to be used when bagging. Install the blades first, then install the bagging kit. Step 1. Unpacking. Carefully remove the product and any accessories from the box. Make sure that all items listed in the packing list are included. Do not use this product if any parts on the packing list are already assembled to your product when you unpack it. Step 2. Packing list. 2 bagging blades, hitch pin, 2 bags, lower bagger tube, bagger bracket, bagger cover, upper bagger tube. Step 3. Removing the cutting deck. Stop the motor, remove the start key, and set the parking brake. Lower the cutting deck to its lowest position. Disconnect the cables that connect the cutting deck to the mower. Remove the 4 hitch pins and washers that secure the cutting deck in place. Slide the deck out from under the mower. Reverse the process to reattach the cutting deck to the mower. Step 4. Installing the bagging blades. Remember, only use replacement blades and nuts authorized by the manufacturer of your riding mower. Make sure the blade is not engaged. Wedge a block of wood between the blade and mower deck to prevent the blade from turning. Loosen the blade nut by turning it counterclockwise using a 15mm wrench or socket. Remove the blade nut, spring washer, and blade. Place the new blade on the shaft against the corresponding blade posts. Ensure the blade is properly seated with the shaft going through the center blade hole and the 2 blade posts inserted into their respective hole on the blade. Make sure it is installed with the curved ends pointing up towards the mower deck and not down towards the ground. When seated properly, the blade should be flat against the blade posts. Replace the spring washer. Thread the blade nut on the shaft and finger tighten. Torque the blade nut down clockwise using a torque wrench to ensure the bolt is properly tightened. The recommended torque for the blade nut is 600 to 650 inch-pounds. Repeat with the second blade. Step 5. Installing the bagger. Insert the bagger bracket into the hole on the rear right side of the mower. Install the hitch pin through the hole at the bottom of the bracket to secure. Place cover frame on top of bracket shafts with the opening on the cover frame sliding over the bracket shafts. Unfold the cover and place on top of the cover frame. Pull one of the back clips over the frame rail and secure it in place as shown. Fasten the other back clip and proceed to fasten the remaining clips around the frame. Raise the cover all the way up and slide bags onto bagger frame. Lower cover and secure using elastic cord. Install the upper end of the top bagger tube into the hole in the back of the grass catcher cover. Remove mulch cover from mower if installed. Install bottom bagger tube to side discharge outlet by placing opening over tab on the mower deck frame. Then hook the fasteners to the frame. Pull the top tube back out of the cover just far enough to connect the 2 tubes together, lining up the hole in the bottom tube latch with the tab on the upper tube. Push bottom tube latch over top tube tab to secure. Make sure inlet sleeve is pulled out and upper tube is completely inserted inside the bagger top. Retrieve the boost connector wire from the underside of the frame. Open the cap and connect the wire on the lower tube. Place the excess loose wire back into the clip to secure. Need additional help? Call RYOBI customer service at 1-800-525-2579.